Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to set up this watch Casio A158. Anyway, this watch has the same operations with the A159, this one, and also the F-91W. So if you're already familiar with these two models, then I don't really think you need this video, but that's okay if you want to walk through all the settings. And let's start with the first one. So from the timekeeping mode, this one, you can do the changing from the AM/PM or the 12 hours format to the 24-hour format by pressing this button on the right side. Okay, this one is the 24 hours and this one is the 12 hours or AM/PM format. Okay, and then next you can also do the Casio check by pressing this button and hold like this, and it will show this Casio word on it. Okay, the next one is the LCD check. And to do that, press these three buttons at the same time. So you might want to hold the watch in this position, and it will show this one, the LCD check, that all the segment of the LCD is showing. Okay, next we will move on to the adjust mode to set up the time and also the date. And to do that, press this button on the bottom left side. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now you can see that the second is blinking. So we can make the second become 0 by pressing this button. If it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. But if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. So for example, this one, 31, 32, I push this button and now it's 0 with additional minute. And if 3, 4 and so on, it will become 0 without additional minute. Okay, next moving on to the next item. And to do that, press the button on the top left, this one, the light button. So we press this one and it will move to the hour. Okay, and we can change the hour by pressing this button and it will increase the number like this. Okay, and then next we can set the minute by pressing this button on the top left. Okay, and we can change the minute by pressing this button on the right side and it will increase the number. Okay, next again the top left button to change to the next item, and that is the month, and we can press this button on the right side to increase, so December and so on. Let me return to November. Okay, and then press again this button on the top left, and now is the date 8. You can press this button on the right side to change or to increase the value. Okay, and then again press the top left button. Now is the day of the week, Wednesday. You can press this one to change Thursday, Friday, Saturday and so on. Okay, and after that it will return to the setting of the second. And if done, you can press this button on the bottom left to return to the timekeeping mode. And that's it for the setting of the time and calendar. The next one is the alarm. So from this timekeeping mode, press this button on the bottom left one time. Okay, and now it shows AL alarm. You can change the alarm time by pressing this top left button, and now the hour is blinking or flashing, and then you can press this button on the right side to change the value. So let's say I want to set the alarm at 5:30, so now 5. Okay, and then now we move on to the next item, and that is the minute. And to change to that item, we can press the top left button again. Okay, the minute. So let me push the right button to push and hold until it reach almost 30. Okay, now 30. Yes, and now if we press again the top left button, it's done for the setting of the time for the alarm. And after that, you will need to set which feature you want to be active. So this one is the alarm on the top left. You can see this icon. This means the alarm. Okay, and then if we press this button, it will switch or it will cycle through the features. So this one is the hourly signal, meaning that you will get a beeping every changing of the hour. Okay, and yes, press again and now both are active, and you press again, both not active. So yeah, that depends on which one you prefer. So let's just set for now the hourly signal on the right side. This one is active, and also the alarm on the left side is also active. So I will get both alarm at 5:30 and also the hourly signal. Okay, next we press this mode button. It will return to the timekeeping mode, and then Yes, 1, 2. Now it's the stopwatch. So for the stopwatch, easy. We can do the start stop by pressing this right button. Okay, start, and then actually pause. Okay, and if you press again, it will continue, and then press again, it will pause. And if you're done, you can reset by using the top left button. Okay, now it's 0, 0. Okay, another thing is that you can do the lap time or split time. To do that, press this one, the start button. Okay, and then you can press the top left button, and now as you can see 4, 5, 6. Okay, now 6:48. And if you want to continue, it will continue with the time that runs in the background. So it's not going to be 7 and so on, but it will jump to something like maybe already 13 or something. Oh, okay, 19. Okay, if you want to see the lap time, you can press again, 24 something, and then okay, 28. So the time that runs in the background will be used for the continuation. Okay, and if you want to stop, just press this one on the right side, and to reset, again the top left button. Okay, and that's it for all the main features and also the setting of this watch, Casio A158. I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye.